This video will guide you through the prototype of DOOT 1.0. Now everyone can speak. All we need to make this model work is a leap motion device which can pretty well recognize the articulated and minute hand gestures. Here the models are trained for the single-handed system of the Indian Sign Language. For the training platform to work, all you need is a computer to connect the leap motion controller and you're good to go. Now, let's start with a walkthrough of the whole web interface that we have built. Let's start with the visualizer. On the left hand side of the screen, you could see the visualizer. It represents the various hand movements that happen over the top of the leap motion controller. On the right side, a graph depicts the various parametric changes that occur simultaneously when there is a change in any gesture. For training the machine learning models, we need to collect the data, and for that, we need a recorder. You can give the labels for each person, and he or she can label the gestures that is being performed. We collected the data from 12 individuals, 25 times for each gesture. The data was collected from 7 boys and 5 girls to make the dataset diverse. For example, Rishabh wants to record the data for the alphabet B. He can give the label B and now can record the gestures B as many times he wants. This is the predictor that we have seen previously in the video. Whenever we perform the gestures of the various alphabets over the top of the controller, the gesture would be predicted by the different machine learning models running on the backend. Now comes the most important part of the prototype, the training platform. It has been designed in such a way that it facilitates the specially abled individuals to learn the various gestures, train on them, and test themselves without any expert supervision. This web page has two sections. On the right side, it shows the letter you have to train on, and it would then predict whether you have made the correct gesture or not. Now we can change the mode on the upper right corner of the screen, and now we'll be able to test on the set of signs and gestures that we have learned so far. This core section on the bottom left part shows you the report of the test. For making it easy to make the platform scalable to new set of gestures and signs, we have designed a research client. You can choose the models you want to, the dataset you want to test on, the number of iterations you want to run the training models for, and select the various features that you want to choose while testing the data. This would help us further when we train the models for the different dynamic gestures and other set of features in the near future.